Hey guys, today I'm going to be creating 4 tags in Illustrator for my Secret Santa exchange this week. First, I changed the green background of this plaid design to blue since that's my Secret Santa's favorite color. Then I brought it into the same file template that I used for my candy cane tags, and I created a repeating pattern to fill the entire background of the rectangle. It was a lot easier to do it this way than to duplicate that grid, which was kind of slowing down my system, so I decided a pattern would be the easier way to go, and I just filled in that gap, and it's seamless. Next, I placed some scrapbook elements of torn pages to use as the placeholder of my text. I thought it made kind of a Texas-y vibe, rustic feel, which is kind of what I was going for. Fourth, I added in my text for each day. I didn't show it on the video, but I printed them out and cut them out, and as I am creating the gifts throughout the week, I will tape them to my gifts and deliver them. So I have the first day done, and I'll show you guys at the end of this video, and as the week goes on, for my Vlogmas videos, I'll also include what they look like for the final tag of each day. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've been inspired to go create something, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 17 of Vlogmas 2023.